If you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, take these next 5 minutes just for yourself. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Let your hands rest gently. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Breathing. Begin by taking a slow, gentle breath in and a long, soft breath out. Once more. Breathing in calm and breathing out tension. Allow your breath to settle into its own natural rhythm. No need to force it. Simply notice the gentle rise and fall. Body awareness. Now bring your awareness to your body. Notice any areas of tightness or tension. As you breathe out, imagine releasing that tension, softening your shoulders, relaxing your jaw, letting your forehead smooth. Feel yourself becoming lighter, softer, more at ease. Mindful presence. In this moment, there's nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to do. Just be here, breathing, alive. The Buddha said, peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. Allow these words to sink into your heart. Peace is already inside you. Releasing thoughts. If thoughts arise, that's okay. Acknowledge them gently and let them drift by, like clouds passing through a clear sky. Return your attention to your breath. This breath, right here, right now. Closing affirmation. Now, silently repeat these gentle words. May I be peaceful. May I be calm. May I be free from stress. Feel these wishes radiate through your body and mind. Returning, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this calm and gentle presence with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for meditating with me. This is Shining Lotus. May your inner light bloom.